The electronic user. You got mail.
Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I am the Teach-Up intern at Center Hill High School. I really don't like to be on video, so I cartoonized myself for the purpose of this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a free website using www.weebly.com. We are going to create a website about the book To Kill a Mockingbird. This website could be created by the teacher for information purposes or even by the class as a class project. So let's make a website. This tutorial is going to teach you how to make a free and easy website that you can use in your classroom. I have already created my account and my username and everything, so I am not going to go down here, but I'm going to show you what you would do. This is where you create a new account right here in this blue box. You just put in your username and password and give them your email, and they will set you up with a website. They're going to ask you what you want to title your website, and then they're going to ask you what kind of website it is. For the purpose that I am going for today, which is a website giving information on the book To Kill a Mockingbird, I just chose education and then I chose informational. Since I already have an account and everything set up, I'm going to go up here in the upper right corner and enter my username and password in. Now when you first sign in, it's going to take you to your dashboard page, which is your page that will take you to anything that you need in regards to your website. The button that you're going to use the most, which is the one we're going to right now, is this blue one that says Edit Site. When you click on that, it will take you to the website editor. This is the default design that your website will show up as. As you can see, it has nothing to do with the purpose of this website, but so we're going to change the design. You can also see that they already put my title, To Kill a Mockingbird, which is the title of the book, up here in this corner. In order to change the look and feel of the website, you click on the Design tab, and that is going to bring you up to all the templates that Weebly offers. Okay, and as you can see, there are many different templates that you can choose. If you scroll over one and just hold your mouse over it, it will give you a preview of that template. Or you can click on a template to choose the one that you want. I have already chosen my template, so I'm going to scroll back over here to go to my template. Okay, now I don't like this picture right here. I want to change that to something else. So what I do is I scroll over the picture, and this button is going to come up that says Edit Image. I click on that, and there are many different things that you can do when you edit an image. In this case, I want to change it, so I'm going to go to Add Image, choose File, and then I'm going to browse to the file that I want to choose. Now what you can do with the image, once you have your image in there, as you can see, you can crop it, rotate it, change the opacity and fade, and even add effects. In order to change the size, you just scroll the corner, and you can move it around so that however much you want of the image to show is what's showing. And then when you're finished editing your image, as you can see here, you can also add text to your image. Then you just click on Save. And that saves the image. And now every page that I create is going to have this template on it. Also in the design area, you can go to Design Options and you can change the font and color of different titles and links and the site title. I'm okay with everything right now, so I am finished with the design part of creating my website. The next step that I want to take in creating my website is to edit my home page, which is the page that's going to come up by default in your website editor. I've already created and saved all the content that I'm going to use, so I'm just going to be browsing the stuff in order to make this tutorial not last quite so long. So on my home page, I want to add a flash image that I made that shows the town in which the book takes place, Macomb, Alabama, and when you scroll over the different elements, it will tell you what that building is for. In order to add that flash to this home page, I'm going to go to the Elements tab and then Multimedia. And as you can see here in the Multimedia area, there is a flash option. This is the easy part about Weebly. When I want to create something, all I have to do is click on it and drag it to the page. Now, in order to upload the exact flash that I want to, I'll just click on this, and this box is going to pop up. It's going to allow me to do what I wish with this flash section. I'm going to go to Upload New File, and then I'm going to browse to the flash that I created. Which is right here. Now, as you can see, it is far too big for the page. So I need to change the size. Right now it's 1000 by 500. So I'm going to take off 250 pixels from each. Okay, it is still a little bit too large. So I'm going to try taking off another 100 pixels from each. And that should do it. Now, as you see, when I scroll over the buildings, it tells what that building is in Macomb, Alabama, the setting of the book. And that is all I want on the home page, is the title of the site and this flash image. So all my elements to the home page have been added. Now that I have created my home page, I need to add the rest of the pages that I plan on having in the site. In order to do that, I need to go to the Pages tab. And in here, you can see the Pages tab. Right here on this button is an Add Page. I'm going to give my page a name, which the next page that I am creating is the Characters page. Now, you can choose to hide the page in the navigation. I don't want to do that. I want everybody to be able to see that there is a characters page, so I'm not going to click on that. I'm also not going to click on password protect this page. There's no reason for me to put a password on it, but you can if you need to. And I don't need to link the page to an external site. So I'm just going to click Save. And now, as you can see down here in my navigation for the site, I have a characters page. I'm going to edit that page now, so all I have to do is go to the link and click on it, and now I have my characters page. And I can put what I want to on this page. First thing that I want to do is add the title to this page. That's right here under the Basics section of the Elements tab. You can see right here that you can add a title. You just click on it and drag it down. And then you just click inside there to edit the title and type what you want to have that title say. You can choose to change the color, bold or italicize or underline. You can make it a link. You can align it in any way that you want to. I don't want to change it, so I'm just going to move on to my next step. I'm going to add a paragraph with a picture. And here we go. The first person that I'm going to put the description of is the main character, Scout. So I just copy this text, go back to my website editor, add paragraph with picture, drag it down to where I want it, which is right underneath the title. As you can see, the paragraph with picture actually comes with the title. So what I can do is I can delete this title. Now I can change the title. For the text, all I need to do is paste what I copied in my Word document. And then I need to add my image, which I already have on the computer. I'm just going to browse to that image. And here's the image of Scout that I want to use. And as you can see, it inserted the image. I want to create a page that has some YouTube videos that have to do with the book or / the movie. So again, I'm going to go to the Pages tab, and it'll bring me to my Pages page. I'm going to click on Add a Page, type in my title, again, I don't want to hide it or password protect it, so I just click Save Settings. And in my navigation, there's a YouTube videos page. I'm on the page ready to edit it. Now I don't want to just put one YouTube video on top of another and leave a big blank space over here, so I'm going to use the 2-column layout. And now I can put a YouTube video here and a YouTube video here. I'm going to go to Multimedia and drag YouTube video down into this first column. If you click on it, this is the default video that pops up. But if you click on it, it'll bring you to this panel again. Since I'm using the 2-column layout, I'm going to tell it to make the video small. And then I already have my videos, the links set up in a Word document. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. make my column. And there, it posted my video in there. Now I have decided that I forgot to put in a themes page, and I want the themes page to be before the YouTube videos page. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to Pages and create my themes page, which we've already done. You just go to Add a Page, put in the title of your page, and click Save Settings. But now, as you can see, the themes is below the YouTube videos on the navigation, and I don't want that. So I'm going to go back to Pages, and I'm going to click on Themes, and I'm going to drag it up in this list so that it's above YouTube videos in this list, and click on Save Settings again. And now my themes is where I want it in the navigation. And in order to edit the page, I just click on page in the navigation, put in my title, I need to go open my Word document, and here I have the text for the themes. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to drag paragraph down here below the title. I'm going to paste. And as you can see, it retained my formatting, but however, it pasted it also in the formatting of the site. So everything is still bolded and italicized the way I had it in the Word document. However, I do not need this themes up here at the very top because I already have it in the title. So I'm going to delete that. And then I have content on my themes page. Now I want to create a page that has all of the different photos that I have collected. So I'm going to go to Pages again, add a page, type in the title, and it's going to add it to my list over here in my navigation. I click on my new page in the navigation and it'll take me to my page to edit it. I'm going to go to the Multimedia tab. Now I think I'm going to do a photo gallery here instead of a slideshow. So I'm just going to pull that down there. And then it's going to tell me click here to upload images. So I'm going to browse to my images. And as you can see, it uploaded a gallery of thumbnails of my images. If I don't want to do the gallery, instead I've decided to do a slideshow. I can delete my gallery, and drag slideshow down. I can choose a slideshow style, and I think I'm going to do thumbnails on the bottom. Click continue. Click on upload photos. Browse back to over where my photos are. Now, as you can see, it uploaded all of the thumbnails for every photo I chose. You can create a link, you can add a caption to each of the photos, or you can delete a photo. I'm just going to click on add photos. I'm going to click on save, and it's going to add my photos right in there, so that when a thumbnail is clicked on, it'll bring up the larger image. And I forgot to add a title, so I'm going to go to basic and title. And if I click on this, I don't like this huge space that's right here. So I'm going to click on advanced, and I'm going to change the spacing above to none. It's still a large space, but it's smaller. And now my photo gallery page has content on it. Well, I hope that this tutorial has helped you learn how to make a free, easy website. Websites can be used for many different reasons in the classroom, and with this knowledge you may be able to really enhance your lessons. That is it for the tutorial. Happy website making!
You got mail.